in this episode.
One of the most frequently asked questions to me is Canon 200D a good camera or Canon 1500D a good camera, and can we buy Canon 800D or can we buy Canon 90D and stuff like that. Canon 1500D are accepting a third-party flash, so please do not get confused. Canon 1500D is accepting a third-party flash now. That is because Canon 100mm macro lens is made by Canon and it's going to be accepted by all Canon cameras universally. I'm talking about DSLRs, EOS M series or the Canon EOS R series. So these are mirrorless cameras. If you want to fit the Canon 100mm macro lens on a mirrorless camera, because they're completely different cameras, they're not going to be fitting on them. But if you have an adapter, it'll still fit on it. Again, whenever you're buying a camera, just a single lens kit is completely fine. So whatever camera and 1855 lens is great. You don't have to buy whatever camera and 18135 lens or 1855 plus 55 250 lens. Yongnuo's or third parties ring flash or twin flash is not going to fit on Canon 200D. So you're listening to the Dental Photography School podcast, where I'll be sharing practical tips on clinical and general photography. I'm Dr. Mayur Davda, and I've been coaching dentists and dermatologists on clinical photography since 2013. If you don't want to miss out on any action, make sure to subscribe to my show because I release an episode every Saturday morning. In this episode, I'm going to be discussing some of the most frequently asked questions with respect to equipments and deciding what is the best equipment for you in dental photography or clinical photography. One of the most frequently asked questions to me is Canon 200D a good camera or Canon 1500D a good camera, and can we buy Canon 800D or can we buy Canon 90D and stuff like that. Just to tell you that all the cameras are good, but high-end cameras like Canon 90D and full frame cameras, they're going to be very expensive and they're going to be very heavy to use. So I usually do not suggest that. I usually suggest Canon 1300D, which is not available in the market anymore, but its successor Canon 1500D had a couple of problems when it was launched. So what was the problem? Initially, when Canon 1500D was launched, it could not accept a third-party flash. So if you're a Canon user and if you wanted to use a Canon's ring flash or a twin flash, you could use it. But if you wanted to use a Yongnuo ring flash or Meike twin flash, you could not use it on your 1500D. But as far as I know, in fact, this is my personal experience, the newer models of Canon 1500D are accepting a third-party flash. So please do not get confused. Canon 1500D is accepting a third-party flash now. So it's a great option to buy Canon 1500D because it is accepting a third-party flash. Now Canon 200D was also similar when it was launched, but I have my doubts whether it's accepting a third-party flash or not yet. So be a little careful, confirm it 2 or 3 times if it's really accepting it or not. As far as my experience goes, I haven't had any news on Canon 200D accepting a third-party flash, so I wouldn't personally recommend it. As far as the costing goes, 1500D is cheaper than 200D, so I don't see a reason why we should buy 200D because features like touchscreen and stuff are absolutely of not much use. But recently there has been a huge shortage of cameras. So Canon 1500D is out of stock, 200D is available, but again I do not suggest it. So the only option if 1500D is not available, and I suggest my listeners, is you can go ahead with Canon 800D because that not only has the capacity to accept a third-party flash, but it has a couple of good features as well. So if you don't have 1500D, go ahead and buy the Canon 800D without any confusion or without any doubts. Now, another question that I get very frequently is, can the Golden Ring 100mm macro lens, is it compatible with Canon 1500D? A lot of people ask me, is it compatible with Canon 200D? Is it compatible with Canon 800D? Now, please listen to this carefully. Irrespective of whatever camera you have in Canon, the 100mm macro lens Golden Ring is going to be accepted by your camera. Please do not have any doubts on this again. That is because Canon 100mm macro lens is made by Canon and it's going to be accepted by all Canon cameras universally. I'm talking about DSLRs. Okay, so it will be accepted by any DSLR that you buy. But if you are planning to buy a mirrorless, again, it can fit on it, but you'll have to buy an adapter. So mirrorless cameras would be starting from it'll be Canon EOS M series or the Canon EOS R series. So these are mirrorless cameras. If you want to fit the Canon 100mm macro lens on a mirrorless camera, because they're completely different cameras, they're not going to be fitting on them. But if you have an adapter, it'll still fit on it. So please get this thing clear that Canon 100mm macro lens, irrespective if it's a golden ring or a red ring, it is going to fit universally on all Canon DSLR cameras. Do not have second thoughts on it. Now, coming to the same question, people ask me, is the Canon ring flash going to fit on 200D, 1500D? Is it going to fit on 800D? Guys, please make it very, very clear that Canon's ring flash as well as Canon's twin flash will fit and will be compatible on all Canon cameras. It's going to be working on all Canon DSLRs. Don't worry about that. So Canon's ring flash or twin flash will work on any basic DSLR or even high-end DSLRs. Do not worry about that. You just have to be careful that Yongnuo's or third parties ring flash or twin flash is not going to fit on Canon 200D. So buying a Canon 200D is not a good option. So let me summarize this entire episode for you. If you want to buy a camera for dental photography, go ahead with Canon 1500D. But I completely understand, because of the pandemic, there's a huge shortage of 1500D. So go ahead with slightly high-end cameras like Canon 800D. Or if even that's not available, then maybe a slightly more higher. But do not buy Canon 200D, because there is no confirmation that a third-party flash will, it'll be accepted by the camera. Again, whenever you're buying a camera, just a single lens kit is completely fine. So whatever camera and 1855 lens is great. You don't have to buy whatever camera and 18135 lens or 1855 plus 55 250 lens. Two lens kits are not of much use at all. You have to buy a 100mm macro lens, and please don't get confused at all now. Any Canon 100mm macro lens is going to fit on any Canon DSLR. Hope this is very loud and clear. If you still have questions, please email me on info@dentalphotographyschool.in. You can also check out the FAQ section on my website, that's dentalphotographyschool.in. There are awesome videos on YouTube and awesome podcast episodes that you'll love if you want to pursue dental photography and general photography. Looking forward to hear from you. That's all we have time for in this episode. Until I see you next time, bye-bye. That's all we have time for in this episode. If you're getting benefited from my tips, do show your love by leaving a rating and a review. For tutorials on photography, do check out my channel, Dental Photography School on YouTube. To participate in contests and live events, join the Dental Photography School Facebook and Telegram group. You can follow me on Instagram as Mayur_EOS Maestro or Dental Photography School. I'll meet you next week. Till then, keep listening, keep sharing.